Have you ever considered going vegan? If so, what sparked your interest? Some people choose veganism for health benefits like enhanced heart health, weight loss, or disease prevention. Others are motivated by environmental concerns, as a plant-based diet can significantly reduce your carbon footprint. And let's not forget animal welfare, a powerful reason for many. Reflect on your personal motivations. Remember, whatever your reasons, embarking on a vegan journey can be a rewarding experience. Transitioning to a vegan lifestyle doesn't have to be overwhelming. Let's break it down into manageable steps. First things first, adopting a vegan diet is not about deprivation, but nourishment. Feast on a rainbow of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains. These nutrient-dense foods will keep you satiated and vibrant. Next, tune into your body. Learn to distinguish between hunger and thirst, and satisfy your cravings with wholesome plant-based options. This mindful approach will support your vegan journey and overall well-being. Thirdly, take it slow. Go at your own pace and make gradual changes. Start by identifying non-vegan items in your pantry and replace them with vegan alternatives over time. Plan your meals and shopping trips to ensure you're always prepared. Lastly, never stop learning. Expand your knowledge about veganism, try new recipes, and explore different cooking techniques. This will keep your vegan journey exciting and sustainable. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Every step you take towards a vegan lifestyle is a step towards better health and a more sustainable world. So, are you ready to start your vegan journey today? Kickstarting this transformative voyage today, rather than tomorrow or the day after, brings immediate benefits. You're not just improving your health, but also reducing your environmental footprint and contributing to animal welfare. Starting a vegan lifestyle means embracing a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains. This bounty of plant-based foods is not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that boost your health. From a stronger immune system to a healthier heart, the health benefits of going vegan are profound and well documented. But the impact doesn't stop at your personal health. By choosing a vegan lifestyle, you're also choosing to reduce your environmental impact. The meat and dairy industry is one of the largest contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. By opting for plant-based foods, you're significantly lowering your carbon footprint and helping to preserve our beautiful planet for future generations. And let's not forget about our furry friends. By choosing vegan, you're standing up for animal rights, saying no to factory farming, and promoting a more humane world. Remember, every step you take towards a vegan lifestyle is worthy of celebration. Whether it's swapping dairy milk for almond milk in your morning coffee or choosing a plant-based meal at your favorite restaurant, every choice matters. Embarking on a vegan journey is a commitment to your health, the planet, and the well-being of all living beings. You have the power to make a positive impact through your choices. Start your vegan journey today, and remember, you've got this.